Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you an unboxing for a planner that I got from Paper Sunday, and I will leave all the information linked below the video. There'll be a discount code along with a link to their website, and they contacted me a little while back and asked if I would do a review of their journals and planners. I picked the planner because I saw some other people had already done some on the journals, so I wanted to show you guys the planner. And this is basically a Christian-based planners and journals, and I've been to the website several times. I've looked at everything that they offer, and they have some really beautiful planners, and they're not just for women. They've got ones specifically for men, they've got ones for children, and they're absolutely gorgeous. So I am going to open this up here with you guys, and the only thing I did do off camera was to open the tape because it comes in packages like this, and I opened up the tape part of it just so that I wouldn't have to do that on camera. And then it comes packaged, oh my gosh, oh my goodness, look at that. So here is the planner, and I will open it up for you. Let me get rid of this box. So I'm making a huge racket over here. Okay, so here we go. Let me get some scissors so I can open this up. And I cannot say the name of this particular pattern that I chose. It's Chinos, I don't know. I'm not even going to try to butcher the name. But they have different names for all the different styles of planners that they have. And you can, well, I'm trying to get this open without making a ton of noise, you can personalize these. So these have personalized scriptures inside, and I picked this one out specifically for my mom. My mom is the secretary at church, and she also has her Bible study classes, so I thought this would be a perfect thing for her to plan out all of her church needs and do her notes for her Bible study. So let's see inside if this is going to work for her. So as you can see here, it's got this really beautiful cover, and it is protected by a really nice thick piece of acetate. So it's got Planner 2020 on it. And when you open it up, this planner belongs to Dorothy. That's my mom. And it's got these really pretty little message here. Oh, I love that. That's pretty. My mom's going to absolutely love this. She's going to be so excited about this. The paper is very soft, and you know, if you are a planner nut like I am, you know your paper needs to be soft because I'm a decorative planner. I like function too, but I'm a decorative planner, so I want to make sure that when I mess up putting my stickers on sideways, I can take them back off. So now when you open it up, here we've got January 2020. So unfortunately, it's already March, but it's okay because my mom doesn't mind. But look at this, Dorothy. This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. It has personalized daily little scriptures for her. Her name is in every single one of these. She is going to love this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my, I'm so excited. And it has a little gratitude section at the bottom where you can write in gratitude. Here is your weekly view, and it's got the nice horizontal layout. So if you're a decorative planner, this looks about to be the normal sized boxes for planning, and I apologize, my dogs are barking. We are having, it is like turkey heaven out there, and I think the dogs are seeing the turkeys out there. So your box size here is, it looks like the standard box size, so you can decorate these with your stickers. And then like for me, these are obviously going to be too big for your monthly view, but they will fit perfectly inside. You might have to cut them down just a little bit for a standard size kit to decorate your planners, but I think they will work. I think they'll work. I'm going to send my mom a planner kit as well, a sticker kit to go with it so that she can decorate it. But every single page has her name on it. So this is wonderful, absolutely perfect. And then you just move right into the next month. So each month gives you your monthly view, and then your weeks afterwards that go all the way through the entire week. And then, like I said, every single one of them has her name on it with a passage from the Bible. It's got places for her to write. She's got lots of room here. And then we're going to flip all the way to the back because I want to see what kinds of extras. So here we have notes and prayers, which is what I wanted for her Bible study. I think this is going to be wonderful. Let me make sure I didn't miss a page. Okay. So we've got notes and prayer, notes and prayer. Then we've got birthdays and anniversaries, important phone numbers and information. And then the yearly view. This paper is so soft, by the way, guys. I just want you to know this is really soft. And then the back. And in the back, you've got an extra little page and then your back cover. And this is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the back is also protected by the acetate. I think she's going to absolutely love this. So, like I said, I'm going to leave all of the information for this in the description below. There'll also be a discount code. And just kind of recap real quick, beautiful, nice weight paper, nice and soft, great for your decorative planning. There's nice places for notes. You've got your month behind and your month ahead, so it's real easy for you to look at your dates here. You've got your scripture every day at the top with your name. Plenty of room for weekly. Plenty of room for weekly. And then in the back, you've got all of your areas to fill in for your birthdays, important dates, your notes and prayers. And it's absolutely gorgeous. So like I said, they do have planners for women, but then they also have journals for men and children as well, and some journals for women. So the journals are just the lined paper or the dot grid. I'm not exactly positive because I haven't seen all of the interior, so I don't know if there's different choices for the pages on the journals or not. I'll have to look into that. But yeah, I think my mom is going to absolutely adore this, and now I'm kind of jealous and I want one for myself. So I may just go back on and buy one of the journals because I think this is absolutely gorgeous, and I would love to use the journals for my everyday journaling. So anyway, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Like I said, all the information will be in the description below the video, and I hope you guys like this little walkthrough here because I think it's absolutely fabulous. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to send this to her and see what she has to say about it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you again real soon with some more unboxings and some more videos. So I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.